guys, I have got myself a new toy, a metal detector. So recently I saw a story on TV about a family here in New Zealand. Shout out to a YouTube channel called Leah's Loot, I'll put a link below. And they were going out and having a lot of fun and finding some really cool stuff. So I did a bit more research online, particularly YouTube, and came across these range of Minelab detectors. So Minelab is a company based in Australia, and they make a huge range of detectors, different price brackets. But because I'm just starting out, I thought I'd go with one of the more entry-level ones. So they do the Go Find series with 3 detectors, the 22, the 44 and the 66. So I decided to go for the 44. The 44 and 66 have a few extra features over the 22. So I'll put the box down and we'll show you the unit. So there you go there, it comes nice and compact, folds down, collapses. It's only just over a kilo. So we'll open it up. So it's nice and easy to set up. So you pull that out, flip up your main display there, and then pull out the shaft, fold down the coil. There you go there, so that's it there. So what I might do now is we'll do a bit of a test run. We'll go outside and I'll show you the display, and we might chuck a coin down on the ground and see how it picks it up. So we'll be back shortly. Okay, so we're outside. I've turned the unit on. It's got a power button on the side, also a headphone jack. It takes 4 AAA batteries, so I'll just go over the display first and then we'll quickly try and find a coin that I've hidden away. So you've got a Bluetooth button here which pairs to an app on your phone. Then you've got your sensitivity here, so you've got 4 sensitivities. You can turn it up or down in case you're picking up any background interference. Then you've got your volume button over here and also a backlight. And then the 2 buttons in the middle, so across the top you've got your types of metal. So whenever you're detecting, these things will flash up. So you've got your iron, things like nails, etc., foil, rings, smaller coins, pull tabs, larger coins, larger value coins, also sometimes bottle caps. What you can do is when you're detecting, you can filter out, say, the iron and foil, which often aren't things you want to be picking up, and just concentrate on rings and coins. So what we'll do is I will find this coin. I know where the coin is, but we'll just basically do as a test run. Hopefully that sun's not being too much of a pain. It's better if I move around this way. So basically just sweep backwards and forwards, and you can see there, or hear there I should say, hear and see that it's picking up it's a coin or possible ring. Often it's just to do with the size. So the other good thing about here is it's got a pinpointing button. So if you press that, it just helps you to zone in. I don't know if you can see it's sort of centered on that rock there. So if we just kneel down under the rock, which as you probably know already, I've already put something there, but yeah, so it's picked up that coin pretty well. No problems at all. So yeah, we'll go back inside and see you shortly. Okay, so it's a very quick overview of the Go Find 44. Probably mentioned before, but it's my first time metal detecting, so I'm a real novice. So I'm planning to go down to a local beach early tomorrow morning, and I've got myself a couple of tools. So I've got this thing here for digging, serrated blade on the side for sort of helping to get plugs and stuff. And also I was looking for a beach scoop. It's basically, obviously scoop up some sand and then you can shake out the sand and leave anything behind. But I wasn't able to find anything locally, and so I saw a video online. Guy made one out of, so this is a horse feed scoop, and I've just drilled a whole bunch of holes. So hopefully with this and the metal detector we'll have some luck tomorrow. In the future I'm looking at getting a pinpointer, so when you're getting it down on your hands and knees right into the dirt, the pinpointer will help you, locate something if it's hidden in the soil. But at this stage we'll just start out with this equipment and we'll see how we go. So we'll flick over to beach hunt video now and see how we get on. Cheers guys. Hey guys, it's Dino here. Beautiful day down at the beach. So we're doing our first dig or first explore with the Minelab Go Find 44. So I've been going for about an hour now. I'll just turn it off for a sec. And yeah, I was just checking around this tree here, and just under the surface got my first ever find. So you can pick that up. It's a ring of some sort. There's a couple of stones there, so well chuffed, because prior to this I'd found a couple of bottle caps. So yeah, we'll carry on, and if I find anything else we'll add it to the video. Cheers.